back to the VTOMAN X1, whatever. See if it's really got the juice it claims to have. Ooh! Damn it! What'd I do? See, my battery's not all the way full either. It's on 3 out of 4. That little boost thing. See, I was boosted. It should cut off. So if anybody is really looking for a good jump box / air compressor, y'all seen that on one of my other videos.
That thing don't tell you how much.
Huh?
It ain't a volt meter though.
No, it don't tell you how much volt. But it just used one of my whole bars on my battery. I strongly recommend this. It's like 125 bucks.